Hello, this is Steve from Rapid Entrepreneurs, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a professional restaurant website. So if you are someone who wants to start an online business, this is a video for you. And also if you are a business owner who wants to grow your business, you can also contact Rapid Entrepreneurs for us to assist you. And as you know, we have two main objectives. The first objective is to help you start a profitable online business. And also, if you're a business owner who can't do all this by yourself, our team is available to help you set up your website and also grow your online business for you. But let's say that you've completed school or you've lost your job and you want to start an online business. This is the reason why you need to watch this particular video. Because in this video, we are going to show you how to create a professional restaurant website with only free resources. And as part of the video, we are also going to show you how to get clients as a freelancer who will be creating websites for other people who also have restaurants and other businesses. The reason why we are teaching you all these skills is that website designing is one of the profitable businesses that is available today. The reason being that every business, every company needs a website. We have a lot of restaurants around who need websites. So how do you know that if a restaurant around your area is having a website or not? Let me quickly show you before we start the video. So just go to Google. So wherever you are, whether you're in Nigeria, Cameroon, or maybe wherever you are, just type restaurants let me use Ghana since I'm in Ghana. Let's say restaurants in Ghana. So Google is going to give you the results for restaurants in Ghana. You can also make it specific to your city or city by city. Maybe restaurants in Kumasi, restaurants in Sunyani, or the city where you are located. So when you type in, Google is going to give you some recommendations. So what you're going to do is that just click on the restaurant that you find. Whether these restaurants have websites or not, you are going to see them. So you see, we have this restaurant called Ike's Cafe and Grill. Just scroll through it. You see that their phone numbers are here. So let's click website and see if it's going to take us there. So let's click on it. If they are having a real website, it's going to pop up here. But if they don't have a real website, you see that we are not going to see anything. So let's wait patiently. So even as you can see, this is not a secured website. So this is one red flag that you can quickly contact them that on Google, when people search for their restaurant, the website that appears do not have a secured padlock. So this is a very good potential for you to reach out to this company. So let's click on it and see. Okay, so you see they don't have professional website. This is just a Google website. So this is just Google website. So this means that you can reach out to this particular company. Let's go back. And now you can even search on a different, this is it, my kitchen. Let's click on this particular one, about Abode fast food. So let's see. So always make sure you check the website. So click on it. If they have a website, it's going to pop up. So you see that this is also a Google website. This is not a professional website as we are going to create. So you can even reach out to this company. Their phone numbers, you can call them. You can even get their address and even visit them if you are closer. And then you can recommend for them that you want to create a professional website for them. And as you can see, the website that you are going to create will be really, really professional. That when you tell them, they are going to do. So don't worry. There are a lot of businesses around who do not have a professional website. So you creating this website for free is going to help you gather some amount of money. You can even charge $100, $200, or even $300 for one particular website that you're going to create for your client. So without wasting much time, let me show you exactly how you're going to create this website step by step. So for you to create a website, you need two basic things. One is your domain and 2 is your hosting. When you talk about domain, that is the name of the website that you are going to create. So if it is Rapid Restaurant, you are going to purchase a domain called rapidrestaurant.com, .org, or .net. In this case, you are going to go with .com. So that will be your domain name. That will be your website name. After you get a website name, you also need hosting. So the hosting is the 24/7 computer that is going to house or host your domain. So to illustrate, the hosting is like a plot of land that is going to handle or is going to keep the house, which is your domain. So before you can create a website, you need a hosting and then a domain. The same as when you want to build a house, you need a land before you also get the house on top of the land. So how do we get the land, which is the hosting? It's very, very simple. You can come to our course website, rapidonlinecourses.com. So this is a website purposely designed for you to enroll in any of these courses. If you want to create a digital marketing agency website, you just enroll in this particular course. And we have other courses as well. But for the sake of this tutorial, the reason why we are here is to go to the resource area. We are going to the resource area to get the resources that we need to create our hosting and also the domain. So as you can see from here, the recommended hosting is Cloudways. The reason why we are recommending Cloudways is that this is a cloud hosting company. This is not a shared hosting. So if you want a faster website, then you need to go with Cloudways. And Cloudways has given us a 25% discount when you use this coupon code called RAPID. So if you want to do this, all you need to do is to click on create your site, or you click on this image. So let's click on create your site. This is going to take us to Cloudways website. All we need to do is to click on start here or start free. As you can see, they are going to give you 3-day trial without even a credit card. So there's no risk here. All you need to do is to click on start free, then you create your account. For the first 3 days, it's free. You are not going to be charged for anything. So just enter your name, your last name, email, password, and most importantly, when you got a promo code, just type RAPID. Just type RAPID. So you see, it is checked, meaning that this is a valid coupon code. If you type anything apart from RAPID, it's not going to return a positive result for you. So always make sure that you type RAPID. Whether you use uppercase or lowercase, no problem. The reason why you are using RAPID is that if you use this coupon code, you will get a 25% discount. This is not found even on Cloudways website. So you have to use this coupon code before you can get access to the 25% discount. After you tick on this box, then you click on start free. Then it's going to lead you to create and verify your account. Since I've already created an account here, I'm not going to go through this. But I'm going to link another video in the description of this video that is going to show you step by step how to create a hosting account with Cloudways. If in case you are stuck somewhere, you can easily refer to that particular video that you are going to find in the description of this video. So now that you are done creating your account, let's meet inside the account and let me show you how to create a website step by step. So if you log in or if you finish creating your account, this is how your interface should look like. Maybe you've created your server already. So this is Rapid News.gh server. That is the server that we have created. So if you remember in our previous video, we showed you how to create a news website. This is the exact server that we use to create the website. But now that we want to create a new website for our restaurant, we have to create a new application. So application is the same as website when it comes to Cloudways. So let's go. The application that we want to create is a website. So just click on add application and then you select your server. So make sure you don't create a new server. You can use the same server, it doesn't matter. So if you create a new server, you'll be charged for each server separately. So it means that at the end of the month, you're going to pay twice. So always make sure that you choose the same server to create all your application. You only need additional space if the size of your website are huge than the 25 gigabyte disk space that you have. So always make sure. And then now that we are talking about pricing, the best thing about Cloudways is that you don't pay any money upfront, but you rather pay at the end of every month. So at the end of every month, you are supposed to pay $12 per the server that you've created. So it's only $12 per month. But because of the coupon code RAPID that you used, you're going to get 25% discount for the first 3 months. So it means that you're going to pay $9 for the first 3 months, which is awesome. So with that said, let me go ahead and then create my application. I want to create a WordPress website. So I'll choose WordPress here. Name your application. The application is Rapid Restaurant. So Rapid Restaurant is the name of my application. I don't have to, I can decide to change the project, but I will still use Rapid Project because the name is okay. Just click on Add Application. Then we are creating our website. We are creating our application. So one thing about Cloudways is that whenever you create a website on an application, it is going to give you a default domain name to use. So you can create a website on this default domain name without you buying the main domain from the Namecheap. So if you want to buy the domain itself, as you are waiting for the application to be created, let me show you quickly how to get access to buying the domain. Just go to rapidonlinecourses.com as we did previously. Go to the same resource area, and then you will see Namecheap. So this is Namecheap. So just click on Namecheap, and then it's going to take you to the Namecheap official website where you can get a domain as less as $7. So as you can see, a .com domain for only $6.98. So if you want a step-by-step guide how to purchase a domain here, link it to your hosting account. I have a dedicated video on that. I'm going to also link that one in the description of this video so that if you don't know how to purchase a domain here at Namecheap and link it, you can follow that video and do that as well. So let's go back and visit our website and see if our application is created. As you can see, the application is created. So all we need to do is to click on this www, then Rapid Restaurant. Let's click on it. So this is going to open our application for us. And mind you, you can create 3 different websites on just one website, on one server, which is also very awesome. So if you have 3 clients, you can create all their websites on one particular server. So you don't need to pay for each client hosting. So you just pay once, and then each client is going to pay the money to you whilst you keep one hosting. When they exhaust the limit, you can either increase their plan so that at least you can also make some extra income from there. So there's no way you're going to lose when you create websites for people. You are not going to pay for the hosting. It's rather the client who will be paying you for the hosting. So the money that you get, you use it to pay the hosting. You can take it in bulk for 1 year, let's say $150, and then you just go to your account. Let me quickly show you that. When you come here, go to the account area. So when you get the money, you charge the client that every month they're going to pay, let's say $15. So you get it in bulk for 1 year. So if it is $150, just come to funds, and then you see I have some funds here. Currently, I'm having $59 in my account. So it means this $59 can pay for my expenses or for my hosting expenses for about 6 months. So that is how you're also going to do. So if you deposit $100 in your account, just click on Add Funds, and then you can enter the amount. Let's say you want to add $50. You click 50 here, and then all you need to do is say Add Funds. Then going to add $50 to your back office. So that is how it is. So as you can see, transaction failed because the amount on my card is not up to $50. So that is how you're going to add the funds that your clients are going to pay you to the back office or the account section of your Cloudways account, so that at the end of every month, you see, this is my January bill, September, August, July. So at the end of every month, it's going to be deducted from here. So let's go straight, and then let me show you how to create the website. We are going to application once more, and then we click on the Rapid Restaurant. So that is the website we are going to create now. So if you want to see how your website looks like now, you can click on this arrow. It is going to take you to how your website is looking. So let's take a look at how our website is looking now. So you see, this is the default website that has been created for us. So this is how our website looks. We are going to turn this website into a very beautiful restaurant website in just some few minutes. So how do we do it? It's very, very simple. If you want to go to the back end of your website where you're going to create the website itself, you're not going to use this link, but you rather use this particular link. So let's click on that. Let me close the first one. So you see, it is requesting for a username and also a password. So all we need to do is to copy this username. I copy the username, and then I'm going to paste it here. And then I'm going to copy the password, and I'm going to paste it here. So let me log in. So immediately you copy your username and password and you log in. This is how it's going to look like. So I can say never, I don't want to save my password. So this is a very clean and neat WordPress installation. We've not installed anything. All the plugins here are default. Maybe you'll be asking that what are plugins? Let me click on plugins and show you. So the plugins are like applications that are going to give you whatever you want to turn your website into. So let's say you want to turn this website into a restaurant website. So you need plugins that are towards restaurant. Or let's say if you want a real estate website, you are going to install plugins that are related to real estate. So the plugins add features, additional features to your website, and you're going to see it very soon in action. So for now, I want to delete all the plugins. These are default ones, and I don't need them. So I want to install the plugins that I want myself. So let's deactivate these ones. So after you deactivate, you can delete all. So let me click on delete and say OK. So now I have deleted all the plugins. So there is no plugin here. Let me go to the appearance section where we have the themes, so that I will check the themes that are available. Now we have 3 themes here. Let me delete the themes because I don't need these themes. I only need one theme that I'm going to use to create a website. As you saw in the previous video, the theme that we used was called Flux, and that is the same theme we are going to use. So let me just search for Flux here. So this is Flux. So let me install the Flux theme. So what is a theme? So the theme is all about the look and feel of your website. So whilst the plugin is adding additional features, how your fonts look like and how your menu will look like, this is being controlled by the theme. So one of the best themes that we are using is called Flux. And so that is the reason why we've installed this particular theme. Immediately you install this Flux theme, it will ask you to install the Flux Core plugin. So let's click on that so that we can install the Flux Core plugin. So now our plugin has been successfully installed. So all we need to do is to import our starter template that we are going to use to create our restaurant website. For us to do that, let's click on Run Importer. So this Run Importer is going to show us all the websites that we can install for free. So if you see Pro only, it means that we need to pay for this. But as we mentioned, we want to create everything with free resources. So we are not going to buy any plugin here. The only thing that involves money is your domain and hosting. That's all. All the resources we are going to use are free. So just go through it and see the free ones. The free ones you can see import there. So let's see if you find one restaurant free one here. So let's say even if you want to create a cleaning website, you can just import this one and then you have your cleaning website. So with these resources, I don't think there should be anyone who should complain that he's not finding work to do. There are a lot of beautiful and very good work available online. Just learn these digital skills and then create professional website for your clients. So we are scrolling through to find some of the restaurant templates so that we can install them. So as you can see, this is a very beautiful one that we can install. So without wasting much time, let me just click on install. So just click on continue. So you click on install plugins. So this is going to install all the vital plugins that this restaurant website needs. And in very few minutes, it's going to be done. It's not going to take you 5 minutes. It's just less than 2 minutes. You have your whole complete website available. So this is an easy to do task. Do not think that website designing is very huge. No. So remove watermark. Just skip this one. If you want to remove watermark, you're going to pay. But just skip this. So complete pre-built website. Import media. Yes. So you just click on import content. So immediately you click on import content, the website, the whole website is going to be imported onto our existing website. So in just some few minutes, you're going to see our boring and ugly looking website turn into a beautiful restaurant website. So as you can see, our website has been installed. So when you see congratulations, demo has been successfully imported, then it means you are good to go. So you can just click on preview, then it's going to show us how our website is looking right now. So just a moment, let's wait for it. So as you can see, our website is up and running. So very, very beautiful website. Everything has been created for us. So you see, with just a single click, we have this beautiful, good looking website, all for free. We didn't have to pay anything for this. Just look at the footer, very, very beautiful. So all you need to do is to change the content into whatever content you want. So you see that it's very, very easy to create a website. Maybe you'll be asking that, why do we have the images not as clean as what we have in the demo? The reason is that these images are paid images. But don't worry, just go to website like pixabay.com. Pixabay.com. You can also go to pixels.com. These two websites. And you can also use Canva, canva.com. So these are the websites that you're going to use to get very beautiful and attractive images. So for example, when you go to pixels.com, just type restaurant images, or you can type food images. So just whatever you want to type, just type it. You are going to get very beautiful images. Then you just download them. So let's say I like this particular one. Let me click on it. It's free. They are not going to charge you. As you can see, free download. So these are very, very awesome ones. So just let me continue as Kwekubako. Okay, so it's good to create an account so that it will not be asking you to confirm if you are not a robot. So I've clicked on this one. All I need to do is to click on free download. So when I click on free download, I'll get the options. So the options here, you can go with a 1280 by 940. Anyone is good, but make sure that you don't take an image that is too high. Otherwise, your website will become slow. So 606 kilobytes is not bad. So you can go with that one or either this one. So let's click download. So you see the image has been downloaded. Let me go back and then get another image to download. So let's go back. So these are related images. So you can even find some here. Okay, let me go with this. So this is also not bad. Let's click on it. Let's click on download. We have other related ones here. Let's click on this. So download for free. Okay, so this is iStock one. We don't need the iStock. So let's go back. We don't need iStock images. Let me go for this. Okay, so all of these are iStock, so we don't need them. Those ones, they will want us to create account and other things. So let's go back. We just want free ones. We don't want to pay any money. So everything that we see here are free. So let's look at more beautiful. I think this is beautiful. Let's go with this. So this is free download. I'm not going to pay any money. Download for free. Let's go back again. Yeah, so you will try as much as possible to get very beautiful and attractive images. I just want to use this one for an example. Later on, you take your time to go through it. Download all these ones for free. Download them for free. So as you can see, this is from Canva. So you can also go to Canva, create free account, add your credit card, and then get all their pro images. Actually, Canva is the main area we get our videos and pictures as a company. So it's very, very good because their videos and their pictures are of higher quality and very professional. So just create an account with Canva, add your credit card. They're not going to charge you. At the end of the month, you can cancel the subscription. You're not going to pay any money. So that is it. Now that we've gotten some few images, let me quickly show you how to customize this so that these images can go away and then you have a very clean website. Just click on Edit with Elementor. That is how you edit your website. It's very, very simple. Very, very simple. So now that we've clicked on Edit with Elementor, all we need to do is to wait patiently for it to load. After that, we can replace the images and also change some of the words. So let's do that. You close the navigator. Now you see, because we are not able to click on this particular area, I'll open the navigator again. So navigator. Then I can click on section. So you see, now that I've clicked on section, this one is stable. So I can now click here and then see the items there. So let me click on the section again. So when you come to Elementor, it's very, very simple to edit a website with it because you have your layout, you have your style, you have the advanced. If you want a very detailed course on how to create beautiful website, explaining all you need to do in terms of creating all types of websites, then we will recommend the all-in-one course that we have on our website for you. So just go to rapidonlinecourses.com. So this first course here is very, very good. The Digital Marketing Agency Growth Program. We took our time to explain every bit of the website designing process. So setting up your digital agency, when you click here, you see that how to create a website with Cloudways, how to purchase a domain, how to import a starter or pre-made template, familiarizing yourself with WordPress dashboard, and a whole lot. Even where and how to generate privacy policy and legal documents for your website. Everything is here. So if you want to take this to the next level, then it will be better if you enroll in this particular course. Then you can create this website for your clients to charge high amount of money. So as I mentioned previously, you can even charge up to $1,000 or $2,000 for one website. So you have to do all you can to get this particular course and then continue with your website. So let's go back. Now that we are here, if I want to change this image, I'll have to go to the style because this is about the style. So you see that we have the image here. So I can delete the image like this. Now we don't have any image here. I can click choose image, and then I'll say select files because I want to select the images I downloaded from Pixabay. So let's click that. And now let me go to downloads. So these are the images that I downloaded. So I'll take all of them, I'll drop them inside the website. Okay, so one thing that you need to take note is that anytime you add an image, try to add an alt text. The alt text is what the image is about. So let's say a rapid restaurant homepage banner image. So we can even add rapid restaurants.com. So this means that Google is going to rank this particular image so that people can also find when they search for restaurants, when they search for rapid restaurant homepage banner. So that is how it is. So always make sure that you add your website name to the description. It's really, really helpful. So now that I've inserted that, let me click on insert. So you see now we have this beautiful website or this beautiful image on top of our website. So you see that it seems it is very, very bright. So we have to make it a little dim. How do we do that? It's very, very simple. We call it background overlay. So when it comes to the background overlay, you can specify the background type. I normally use colors. You can choose black color or you can choose a red color. Any color at all. Someone can choose blue. And then after you choose the color, you can play with the opacity. So if you increase it, you see it's being increased. But I always like the black color. So let me go with the black color. Now I'll go with let me play with the opacity. So something like this is okay. If you want to see it well, you can just click on this arrow. Then you see how it's going to look like. So that is it. So this is how it is looking now. I think this is not bad. This is not bad at all. So if you like, you see this picture, you can even take this picture to Canva and add your own menu here. So after you add your menu, then you can download the picture with the menu on top so that it makes it more professional. You can do that. You can do that. It's very, very simple. For example, when you go to Canva, so let me close this. So I'll go to uploads. I would like to upload a picture. Okay, I don't know which particular one, so let me upload all the pictures. Yeah, so this particular one. So all I need to do is to drag the edges so that it can cover. Or you can also say set as image background. Then it's going to cover the whole space for you. So this was what I meant. You just come to text and then you say add a heading. So you can always make it smaller or bigger. So the menu. So let's say if your menu is fried rice. So the color is black. So you can highlight it and then you make the color white so that at least you can see what is inside. So fried rice. So this is the menu. So maybe you put it here. Fried rice. You can duplicate this. You can duplicate this. So if you click here, it's going to duplicate. Then let's say fried rice and this one too is jollof. Yeah, so it all depends on you. It all depends on you. So make sure that they are in line. If they are too close to each other, you can drag it. Yeah, and let me add one, duplicate it, and then you come here. Okay, so you see 91, 91. So it means they are all in very good range. So this one should be What should I write? Let's say seasoned rice. So seasoned rice, then you are going to drag it here. You make sure that it's also the empty one. And now we can duplicate this one and then drag it here so that at least you have the prices here. So if it is dollars, you can make it dollars. If it is Ghana cedis, you can make it Ghana cedis. So let's say 25 cedis. And now we can duplicate this one as well. Duplicate. And then we duplicate this one again. So let's say that we want it this way. So with yours, you take your time to make sure everything is in line. And now we can even change the color for this. Click on color. Let's change the color for the price. Change the color for the price. Something like this. I think this is not bad. Then all you need to do is to click on share, and then you click on download, and then you choose JPEG, and then you click download. So you see the image has been downloaded. So all we need to do is to go back to our website, and then we re-upload this one again. So choose image. We go to the background. Remember, this is under the background. So we go to the background. We go to upload files. We select files. And then we can choose fried rice image. So after you choose this image, always make sure that you write the alt text and also the description. So after you write the alt text and description, then you can say insert media. So now, as you can see, we have this one neatly installed here. So as you can see, this is very, very awesome and very beautiful. So it didn't take us much time to do this, but we've taken our time to add some options to the image we downloaded from the Pixabay or Pixels or wherever you downloaded it from. So this will make your website very attractive. So when someone visits the home page, they can even see the menu and also the prices. So that is it for how to add the images. It's very, very easy to change the content here. If you want to change the content, just click on this pencil icon. We are the best. You can say the best restaurants. So forget mediocre restaurant. So you can also write something like secondary heading when you come here. So let's say your favorites. Your favorite restaurant. If this is too much, you can, let's say, reliable restaurant, something like this. The content too, you can change the content from here. That is the description. So if you come to the description, then when a while, so maybe you can also write your own content here. Do you want the best restaurant to enjoy a meal with your family and friends? Look no further than Rapid Restaurant. Something like this. So this is it. As you can see, we have the writings moved to this area. So what you can do is that, so for us to get this writings to the left side, all we need to do is to come back here. You see, if you click on the layout, this one, the content width is boxed. So just put it at full width so that you can control the width of this. So let's collapse this one and see. So as you can see, it's a bit better. But if still it is not better, you can always control the width. So that is how it is. So now that we've seen that this area is okay, now we have a very beautiful home screen that people can always visit here and find a lot of value from here. So that is it. You are going to do the same thing with the other sections. So the perfect offer for you. So if you want to push this one to the top, maybe the space here is too much, you can always click on the section, go to advanced, and then you see they have 35 here. You can put it at 0, and then it is going to control. So this is the right side. Let me drop 35 here. So this is the top. So there's a top space here. So if you want to control that, you can go to the margin area. You see we have top. So you can even make this one 40. Because you want the space at the top, you put minus here, then it's going to push it to the top. So we can even make it minus 80. So you see it is pushing it to the top. So that is it. And you can also use the padding as well. The padding is the internal space. You can also use the padding. So let's say we give an internal space of 50. So let's make it minus 50. So you see it pushes it to the top. You can make this one minus 200. Yeah, so that is how you're going to play around the margin and then the padding. So as I mentioned, if you want a very detailed way of creating the website from scratch, then you have to check out the course as well. But you can also follow just this one to just make changes to these areas. So if there are a lot of space here, all you need to do is to just check the margin and padding. So you can do this. You can add minus 100 here. Then it's going to push it to the top. So that is how you're going to work around it. So you see, we've not spent much time here, but we've been able to create this beautiful restaurant website. So let me update it. So this is just a matter of just replacing the images and also the content. You can do that for all the pages. It's very, very simple. So now that we've updated it, let me view the website. So let's view page. So as you can see, this is our new website. This is how the website is looking now. So the best restaurant, reliable restaurant. Do you want the best restaurant to enjoy a meal with your family and friends? So you see that our menu and also our prices are also here beautifully. So you are going to do that with the same, we are going to use the same approach to edit for this. This $20, if you are using cedis or naira or safer, you just change it to reflect your own currency. You can also create a new page and call it menu. As you can see here, then the full menu, when the person clicks on it, it takes the person to the menu tab. So as you can see, this is the whole menu. So if you have different varieties of menu, you can just come here and then you edit this section so that anyone who visits your menu can see all the food items that you offer from your website. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you found value in this video, kindly subscribe to this channel and also give us a like so that YouTube can also recommend this video to others to also watch. So anytime you need a business idea or you want to start a profitable online business, Rapid Entrepreneurs is available for you so that you can get all you need to start up your own profitable online business. So in the next couple of videos, we're also going to show you some other smart ideas on how to create various type of websites. Probably some of you have heard about this CrocoBlock plugin. Let me briefly show you CrocoBlock. So this is the CrocoBlock website. If you want to create all types of dynamic website, this is the plugin that you're going to use. So in a couple of weeks, the videos that we'll be producing, you're also going to concentrate on this particular plugin so that you get to know what you can do with CrocoBlock. For example, if you come to the solution aspect, You can create all types of websites, even a car dealership marketplace or car dealership marketplace for Elementor. Just click on that. So as you can see from here, we will show you how to create website like this for yourself and also for your client, so that you can also charge for a decent amount of money when you do this for your client. So kindly subscribe to the channel so that when we upload these videos, you will also be the first person to receive it, so that you can also create for others to also make a lot of income for yourself. Thank you very much once again, and let's meet in the next video.